Hello everyone, I am Sakshi, and as you had an exam today, so here we are with some questions and their solutions. It was a question from COB and question number 99 from booklet A, 101 from booklet B and 100 from booklet C. As you can see, you have a functional with respect to 0 to 4 y dash minus 1 square y dash plus 1 square dx, and we are not having any boundary condition. They are asking for the extremal which minimize this functional, and we are given 4 options for that. Since we are not having any boundary condition, so we will go with the help of options. How we will solve this? In first option, as you can see, before going through option, as you can see, since your functional is independent of x and y both, so obviously I will get a straight line as extremal, and in all the 4 options I am getting this. But to check which will provide the minimum value, if I put this, I will get y dash as 1 by 2 here and put the value of y dash in given functional j. Since my jy is integral 0 to 4 y dash minus 1 square, that means 1 by 2 square, y dash plus 1 square, that means 3 by 2 square dx. So from here I will get 1 by 4, 9 by 4 into 4, which is nothing but 9 by 4 only. So for this functional extremal, I am getting the functional value as 9 by 4. From this, I have in second option this kind of extremal. For this, I need to divide my functional in 2 parts, 0 to 1 plus 1 to 4. And when I will put the value, from 0 to 1 y dash will be minus 1, and from 1 to 4 y dash will be 1. So in 0 to 1, when I will put y dash as minus 1, I will get 0 to 1 minus 1, that is minus 2 square, and when the moment I will put minus 1 here, I will get 0. Similarly 1 to 4, I will get 1 as y dash. So when you will put 1 over there, you will get 0 only. So this extremal gives 0 as the functional value. Between 1 and 2, the minimum value is 0. Now for the next option, again as y dash, I will get 2 from 0 to 2 and y dash as minus 1 from 2 to 4. So your j of y in this option will be 0 to 2 plus 2 to 4. In 0 to 2, when I will put y dash as 2. So from here 2 minus 1, 1 square and 3 square, 9 dx. 2 to 4 I will get minus 1. The moment I will put minus 1 here, I will get 0 only. So from here I will get 18 as the functional value. Now in fourth option, as I can see that I should divide my j of y from 0 to 3 plus 3 to 4. From 0 to 3 y dash will be 1, and you will put 1, it will give you value 0. So 0 to 3 it will be 0 dx plus 3 to 4. Y dash is minus 1, and putting minus 1 over there will give 0 again. So here also I am getting 0, and in question they have asked for the extremal which will give the minimum value of the functional, and as I can see, option 2 and option 4 are giving the minimum value of extremal. So for this question your answers are option 2 and option 4. So thank you.